I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 27 for grade 1 mathematics. Nowadays we are learning about making patterns with shapes and solids. In this topic we are learning how we can identify the pattern, and after identifying the pattern how we can complete the pattern. Okay, we have the pattern here in the shapes. We check this pattern. First I'll do just a revision what we have completed, and then what we are going to do, we'll do some more practice and we will learn some more concept related to the patterns, that we can have pattern in different sizes also, in different colors also, in solids also, right? So you can see here guys that there are two shapes in this pattern. You can find that first shape is a square and the second shape is a circle. After a square and a circle, there is another square, another circle, square, another circle. If I ask you what shape will be the next, so you will say it will be square. How do you know? Because you know this pattern is made up of two shapes, square and circle. After these two shapes, the pattern is repeated. If I ask you after the circle, which shape will come next, so you will say, sir, it will be square. How? Because you know it that in the pattern after circle the pattern repeats and there will be a square. We have learnt about the pattern with respect to colors as well. Like here the pattern was in different shapes, like first shape was square, the second shape was circle, and again square, again circle. So the shapes were different, but here the shapes are same, but what is the change here? The change is in the colors. So you can see that the first triangle is the blue, the second triangle is orange, then again blue, again orange, again blue, again orange. So you can identify the pattern that this pattern is made up of two colors. The colors are blue and orange. After these two colors, the pattern is repeated. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, and that will continue. So if I ask you, can you tell me which triangle, which color triangle should be next to this? If I ask you to draw and color, which triangle should be there? So you will say, sir, it will be blue. If I ask you why, how do you know? So you will say, sir, because in the pattern after blue triangle, there is orange triangle. After blue triangle, there is orange triangle according to pattern. Related to this, we did some practice. I'm going to share that screen with you where we did practice. Here are some examples where we did practice. So this is the example of the pattern in shapes. You can see this is triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. So this pattern is made up of two shapes. First is triangle, another is square, another is square. If I ask you after this square, which shape will come next? So you can easily say, sir, it will be a triangle. Why? Because you know that the pattern has only two shapes, triangle and a square. This pattern is made up of only two shapes, triangle and square. So after a square, there will be a triangle, right? Same here, if we check this pattern, the second pattern. So this is starting with square, then you have circle, then you have triangle. Square, circle, triangle, square, circle. If I ask you to identify that pattern, so you will say, sir, this pattern is made of three shapes: square, circle, triangle. First shape is square, second shape is circle, and third shape is triangle. After these three shapes, the pattern is repeated: square, circle, triangle, square, circle. If I ask you after circle, which shape will come next? So you will say, sir, it will be triangle. If I ask you how do you know? So you will say, sir, because in the pattern after circle there is triangle. Look at this pattern. This is a square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle. So this pattern is made up of three shapes, square, triangle and rectangle. So you will say, sir, I know the pattern. I have identified the pattern. This is square, triangle and rectangle. If I ask you to complete the pattern, after triangle, which shape will come next? You will say, sir, wait. Okay. You check here and you will say, sir, it will be rectangle. If I ask you, how do you know? You will say, sir, because in the pattern, after triangle, there is a rectangle. This was we are discuss. This is we are discussing about pattern in shapes. But if we ask you with respect to colors, so you can check here. These all are squares. There is no triangle, no circle, no rectangle. All are squares. But their colors are different. How many colors are used to make that pattern? Two. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. So this pattern is made up of two colors, blue and green. If I ask you, can you tell me which color square will be the next? So you will say, sir, blue. Because after green square, there is a blue square in the pattern. Okay, Mushtaba. Because you will say, sir, after blue, there is a green square. Come here. If I ask you about this, there are three triangles. They are, all are triangles, but their colors are different. How many colors? Black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, black, orange. So this pattern is made of three colors. First one is black, second one is orange, and third one is blue. So black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, and black, orange. If I ask you to complete that pattern, you will say, sir, the next triangle will be blue. Why blue? Because in the pattern after orange, there is a blue color. Up to here, everything is clear to you guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That's very good. Do you have questions related to the pattern up to pattern in shapes, pattern in different colors?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay. So today we are going to again practice and you have to tell me about this pattern first. So guys, look at this pattern. Triangle, triangle, circle. Triangle, triangle, circle. Triangle, triangle. Which shape will be the next? You have to answer me in the chat box. Tell me your answers in the chat box. After this triangle, which shape will come? Muhammad Talha, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Yusuf, very good. Arish, very good. No Rayan. Sayyid Uzaifa, very good. Rashid Ahmad, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Suleiman Alugeli, very good. Sami, very good. Arshaman, very good. Abdul Malik, very good. Umar Mohsin, very good. No Sami Hijazi. Muhammad Mashki, very good. Uzaifa Rashid, very good. Muhammad Nomin, very good. Umar Nizar, no. Rayan, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Okay. Uh, I will take one of the student with me to answer that. And Arish,
Yes, sir.
would you like to tell me after this triangle which shape will come next?
A circle.
Why circle? Yeah,
Because
very good. Yes, yes.
this pattern
Mm-hmm.
comes circle.
Because in the pattern, after two triangles, there is a
Circle.
Circle. That's very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, let me take one more student. Abdul Muid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Abdul Muid. After this triangle, which shape will come next?
Circle, because of the two triangles and circle.
Very good, because in the pattern, two triangles and circle, right? That's very good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, guys. So your all answers are correct. After these two triangles, there will be a circle. Now I'm going to ask, after this triangle, which shape will be the next? And this is I'm going to ask by Abdul Malik Hassan. Abdul Malik.
So,
Yes,
Yes, Abdul Malik. After this circle, which shape will come next?
triangle.
Why triangle? Why not circle?
Because the pattern is
Hmm,
triangle, triangle, circle.
that's very good because the pattern is triangle, triangle, circle. So after circle, the pattern starts again with triangle, right?
yes,
Yes,
Okay, that's very good. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, I'm going to take one more student and this is Arshaman. Arshaman.
Yes,
Yes, Arshaman. After this circle, which shape will come next?
triangle.
Triangle. How do you know?
By pattern.
Okay, what is the pattern?
Another triangle.
Sorry. Again, repeat again. What is the pattern?
Triangle. Circle.
Triangle, triangle, and circle. Two triangles and a circle. Two triangles and a circle. Okay. Thank you. That's very good, guys. Oh, wait for a while, guys. Okay. Uh, I hope you can see it again now. Now, guys, this is we are. I'm going to ask you now about this pattern. Check out this pattern. This pattern is made up of colors. Look, all shapes are same. They all are triangle. Okay, but they are different in color. Orange, black, blue, orange, black, blue, orange. Okay, so you have to tell me which triangle, which color triangle will be next after this orange. Identify the pattern and tell me which color triangle will be the next in the chat box, guys. Which triangle will be the next? And I received answer. Muhammad Talha, very good. Arish, very good. Suleiman Alugeli, very good. Omar Nizar, very good. Yusuf, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Rayan, very good. Suleiman Alugeli, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Arish, very good. Rashid Ahmad, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Sayyid Uzafa, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, why blue? Why blue? Look, this is not blue. Check the pattern again, Abdul Malik Hassan. Muhammad Al Sheikh, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Umar Mohsin, Sayyid Uzafa Ajmal. Muhammad Momin, Sami, Huzafa, Muhammad Kashan, very good. Sami Hijazi, very good. Yes, Abdul Malik Hassan. Now your answer is correct. Yahya Yusuf, very good. Okay, now I'm going to take one of the student to answer it, and that is Hatim Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Hatim, would you like to tell me after this orange triangle, which color triangle should be the next?
Blue.
Blue. Why blue? Check the pattern. This is
Black.
orange, orange, black, blue. Yes, tell me the pattern, Hatim. Orange,
Black.
black, blue. Orange, black, blue.
Blue.
Orange, then which color should be next?
Nothing.
Look the pattern again. The first color, first triangle color is orange.
Blue.
This is
Orange.
orange. Then,
Black.
then,
Blue.
then,
Orange. Black. Blue. Orange.
then. Which color should be next?
Black.
Black. Very good. Why? Because in the pattern after orange triangle there is a black. After orange triangle there is a black. Okay. Okay. I will take one more student. Uh, Huzefa. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Huzefa. Tell me after this orange triangle, which triangle should be next?
Black.
Black. Why? Why black? Why not blue?
Because I
Mm-hmm.
triangle
Hmm?
got
Be-
there.
Identify the pattern because in the pattern after orange color,
Black.
black. That's very good. All right, guys, your all answers are correct. This is black. That's very good. Now, I will ask that after this black triangle, which color triangle should be next? Muhammad Talha. Muhammad Talha. Muhammad Talha, can you hear me?
Blue.
Yes, Muhammad Talha. Why blue? Hmm?
Question.
I am asking after this triangle, a black triangle in the pattern, which color triangle should be next? Complete the pattern. Yes.
Blue.
Blue. Why blue?
Because the pattern.
Okay, because in the pattern after black
After black, there
triangle, after black triangle,
is blue.
very good, very good. That's very good. Thank you. I have received the answers in the chat box also. Okay, and Yusuf. Okay, very good. Time. No, Suleiman, very good. Abdul Muid, Yahya, Muhammad Ali, Siddiq Ghalib, Abdul Malik Hassan, Taimullah, Muhammad Al Sheikh, Sayyid Uzaifa, and Arish. Yes, your answers are right. I'm going to take one more student, and that's Mahmoud Umran. Can you hear me, Mahmoud? Mahmoud Umran, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. Muaz Al Sayyed, can you hear me? Muaz, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muaz. Would you like to tell me after this black triangle, which color triangle should be the next?
Huh? What?
Look at this pattern. Orange, black, blue, orange, black, blue, orange, black. Tell me the next triangle. Color of the next triangle. Yes. Yes. I'm waiting. Muaz,
Yes.
tell me the answer. Look at the pattern. What is the color of first triangle?
Or
Orange. Orange.
yes,
Then,
black,
then, then,
blue, or
then,
black, but
orange.
blue, or black,
So after black, which color should
black,
be next? After black, which color?
or or
It should be blue. It should be blue. Check in the pattern after black triangle. Which color triangle is there? This is blue. So you will say this is blue. This it will be blue, right? Okay. Mahmoud Umran, can you hear me? All right, guys. So you know that there will be a blue. Okay, guys. There is one more practice for you. Here you can see I make a one pattern. These are circles. The first circle is blue, then you have green, green, blue, green, green. Can you tell me which color circle should be the next? Which color circle should be the next? After two green. Siddiq Ghalib, Muhammad Talha, Arish, Rayan, Yusuf, Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad Ali, Ahmad Al-Badi, Suleiman Al-Ugeli, Sayyid Uzaifa, Abdul Muid. Very good. Muhammad Al-Sheikh, Muhammad Kashan. Very good. Abdul Malik Hassan. Very good. Umar Nizar. Very good. Muhammad Mashti. Very good. Muhammad Momin. Very good. Rakan. Very good. Umar Mohsen. Very good. Saleh Al-Malohi. Very good. All right. I am going to take one of the student with me who will answer this after Muaz. Muhammad Ahmad Almas.
yes, sir.
Muhammad Ahmad, after this green circle, which color circle should be next?
Blue,
Why blue? Hmm. Why blue?
because
Hmm. In the pattern,
in the button,
yes.
blue, green, green, blue, green, green.
That's very good. You will say, sir, because in the pattern, after two green circles, there is a blue circle, right? Thank you. Okay. I'll take one more student and Muhammad Ma'moon. Muhammad, yes, Muhammad Mamoon. After two green circles, which circle should be next? Which color circle should be next? Why blue? Because in the pattern, after two green circles, there is a blue circle. Okay,
Okay.
that's very good. All right, guys. Now I draw here a blue circle. After this blue circle, which colors circle should be next? This is I'm going to ask by Muhammad Al Sheikh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. Tell me, after this blue circle, which color circle should be next?
Two green.
Two green. Very good. Why?
Because it's an one blue.
Very good. Because in the pattern, after blue circle, there are two green circles. That's very good. Okay, I will take one more student. That is Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, can you hear me? Muhammad Ali, can you hear me?
Two green.
Why two green? Hmm?
Because interesting.
Because in the pattern, after blue circle, there are two green circles, right?
Yes.
That's very good. All right, guys, I have received the answers in the chat boxes also. I'm not going to call the names because too many students answered, but all answers are correct. Okay. Okay, guys, now I'm going to give you a new concept. You know about the patterns we can make with the shapes, the patterns we can make with the colors, and do you know we can also make pattern with different sizes. If we have different sizes, we can also make pattern. Look here, the first pattern, the shapes was different. So you check the pattern that first is square, then circle, then square, then circle. The shapes were different. In the second, the shapes were same, only the color was different. But here, the shape is also same, the color is also same, but the size is different. These all are rectangle, guys. These all are rectangle. But you can see their sizes are different. This is big. This is smaller. This is the smallest. Big, smaller, smallest. Big, smaller, smallest. If I ask you what will come next, so you will say, sir, it will be big. Why? Because in the pattern, after smallest, it will be a big. The pattern is made up of three sizes. First is big, second is a smaller, third is the smallest. Okay, so let's move to the our practice sheet again. Look here, I make a pattern here for you. This is big, this is smaller, this is the smallest. Big, smaller, smallest. Big, smaller, smallest. Big. Look here. This is you will say it is big. This is you will say it is smaller. And to this you will say smallest. Okay. Now you have to tell me in the chat box after this rectangle. These all are rectangle. After this rectangle, which will come next? Big, smaller or smallest? So Muhammad Ali, very good. Yusuf Mahmood, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Suleiman Al-Ugeli, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Sayyid Uzaifa Ajmal, very good. Omar Nizar, wrong. Muhammad Talha, very good. Rayan, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Arish, very good. Mm-hmm. Muhammad Majdi, wrong. Muhammad Al-Raini, wrong. I told you here, check here. This is big, this is smaller, and this is smallest. Okay. After this, which will come, that you have to tell me. Abdul Mueid, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Saleh Al Malohi, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Arshiman Aziz, very good. Okay, guys, I'm going to take one of the student and Muhammad Kashan. Muhammad Kashan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad Kashan. Tell me, after this big rectangle, which size will come? Smaller, smallest, or big?
Smaller. Smaller.
Why smaller?
Because in the pattern first big and then it's smaller and then it's smallest.
That's very good. That's very good. Thank you, Kashan.
You're welcome.
All right. And then Muhammad Al Raini.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Al Raini, did I ask a question to you just before?
Smaller.
Okay. No, no, I'm asking, did I ask you a question before today? Before that? Or this is the first time I'm asking question in today's class?
Smallest.
Okay. It will be smaller or smallest? Smaller?
Smaller.
That's very good. Aha. Very good, Muhammad Mamoon and Sami Jazi. Thank you, Muhammad Al Raini. Your answer is correct. All right, guys. So this is now smaller. Your all answers are correct. This is smaller. Now you all have to tell me after this smaller, which size rectangle will be next? Big, smaller, or smallest? I'm giving you time. Think about it. I'm going to open your mics and you will have to reply. Big, smaller, or smallest? After this, big, smaller, or smallest?
Smallest.
Very good. It will be smallest, right? So, guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you to the next class and we'll practice more about it.